What's up, ladies and gentlemen, gypsies, hippies, hipsters, shit shies, and pastas and rastas? I'm my Revive 420, and today we got Ooze Booster. Extract vaporizer for hand and for home. 3 different adjustable temp settings. Comes with an extra coil. Looks like this. For hand or for home. This comes off. Full reviews on the channel. Hit it twice. Preheat session. There is nothing in here, YouTube. And that is how the product works. If you enjoy any part of this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you hate every part of it, please let me know. I truly hope you have a great day. Peace and blessings.